Welcome to my channel UGC NET English Literature Smart Study. There are some books that I read from Kindle Unlimited free books. I just want to share. If any one of you is interested, then you can have a look at it. That's my point. These books are totally my personal choice and they are available in other format, maybe I'm not so sure, but as I read them in Kindle format, I mention under this category. Kindle books for UGC NET English Literature. First book, Easy Handbook on Australian Literature for NET Set by Dr. Kalyani Vallath, Bodhi Tree Books. Yes, I think Kalyani Vallath can make me brand ambassador of Bodhi Tree Books. Anyway, I really love all those books and I think these books are too helpful. The 100 Greatest Novels of All Time, Centaur edition. I am not sure that these books are now available in Kindle, but then in 2016 I get them and I read from Kindle Unlimited. English Literature Fact Books, Kavita Kaladharan, Libyan Hena, Arshad Ahmed, edited by Kalyani Vallath, Bodhi Tree Book. Again, fact. World Literature Books of Years for NET Set by Kalyani Vallath. Number 5, Question Bank on Indian English Literature, Kalyani Vallath. Number 6, UGC NET English 2000 Keys to Remember, Antihero Ankit. Number 7, UGC NET Set English, Sachin Saha. Most of these books are actually practice set book. You can have a look at them if it is available, otherwise don't take pressure. Easy Handbook on Canadian Literature for NET Set and Other Competitive Exams by Dr. Kalyani Vallath. Actually, I love books and I love searching books more than reading books. So don't think that all these books I have read. But I search them, I get them, I keep their address. If anyone need them, that's it. But don't think that I clear NET after reading all these books. It is not possible anyway. 9. 1000 Literature Quiz by Sujata Roy, Rupa publication. Okay, the list is finished at last. If you feel it helpful, then share and subscribe. Thank you.